I come before you with an open heart. I come as I am, no mask, no pretense, no performance. I am weary. I am anxious. I am burdened. But I am here, and you are here with me. In this quiet moment, I let everything else fall away. The distractions, the noise, the deadlines, the pressure, the opinions, the fears. I release them into your hands. I take a deep breath, and I inhale your presence. I exhale tension. I inhale your peace. I exhale worry. I inhale your love. I exhale fear. I slow everything down. I choose to be still, to rest in your presence, to let you be enough, to stop trying to fix it all, to stop trying to carry it all, to stop trying to be everything for everyone. You are everything I need. Speak calm over my soul. Speak rest into my mind. Speak stillness into my spirit. Let your words settle like soft rain, washing over the tight spaces in me, smoothing out the sharp edges of my anxiety. I do not need to understand everything. I do not need to have it all together. I only need to be here, with you. Right now, you are the one who stills storms. You are the one who calms seas. You are the one who brings order out of chaos. Calm the storm inside me, Lord. Calm the racing thoughts, the endless to-do lists, the lingering regrets, the future fears. Calm it all. Let there be peace. You are not far. You are near, near to the broken, near to the anxious, near to the restless, near to me. I feel your nearness now. I breathe it in, you said. Peace I leave with you. My peace I give you. Not as the world gives, not temporary, not fragile, not dependent on circumstances, but deep and whole and real. I receive that peace now. Let it wrap around me like a warm blanket. Let it settle into my bones. Let it become the rhythm of my breathing, the calm in my heartbeat, the steadiness in my steps. Let peace be the lens I see through. Let peace be the tone of my words. Let peace be the posture of my soul. I trust you with my past. You are the God who redeems. I trust you with my present. You are the God who sustains. I trust you with my future. You are the God who goes before me. I surrender control. I surrender fear. I surrender striving. I surrender all. I sit in silence. I let the quiet do its work. I do not run. I do not distract. I do not escape. I remain here with you in stillness, in peace, and in this stillness I hear you, not in the thunder, not in the fire, but in the whisper that tells me I'm safe, that I'm held, that I'm not alone. You are my refuge. You are my safe place. You are my hiding place. When the world is too loud, I run to you. When my mind won't stop racing, I come to you. When my chest feels tight, I fall into you. And you hold me. You speak gently. You do not shame. You do not rush me. You do not pressure. You are patient. You wait for me. You love me as I am. Lord, help me carry this peace into the rest of my life, into my relationships, into my work, into my thoughts, into the moments when the world gets loud again. Let this stillness remain with me. Teach me to return to this place often, not just when I'm overwhelmed, but every day, to begin and end with you, to anchor myself in you, to be guided by you, to walk in step with you. I trust your timing. I trust your plan, even when I don't see the full picture, even when things feel uncertain, even when I feel afraid. I trust you. And I trust that you are working in ways I cannot see, bringing good out of pain, bringing beauty out of brokenness, bringing peace out of chaos. So I rest in you, not just now, but always. Let this rest sink deep. Let it reach every hidden place in me. Let it renew me, heal me, steady me, and lead me forward. I am not defined by my worry. I am not ruled by my fear. I am not owned by my anxiety. I am held by you. I am known by you. I am loved by you. And that is enough. Thank you for your peace. Thank you for your calm. Thank you for your presence. I will return here again and again because here is where I find my soul again. Here is where I find you. Amen.